Dawn bleeds crimson over the Tokyo Dome's cracked shell, shards of roof glinting like broken cymbals. Kyoya stands center stage, clutching Mu's microphone, still warm, still humming her last note. The rest of SI-VIS is scattered in the rubble, Siren on her knees, voice shredded from the aria that split the sky, Nagi curled fetal, tablet cracked and silent, Jun's bass split in half like a snapped spine. The null chord worked. The veil is gone. But so is Mu. She's become the dome's new ward song, an endless, wordless loop echoing through the rafters, keeping every mirage at bay. Forever. The crowd? Evacuated hours ago. The Council of Chords? Radio silent. SI-VIS is officially erased, no contracts, no credits, no comeback tour. Just 4 fugitives and a ghost in the PA. Episode 4 is the morning after hangover of a revolution. The squad holes up in an abandoned love hotel in Ikebukuro, neon, vacancy, flickering like a dying heartbeat. Siren chain smokes on the balcony, staring at Mu's empty mic stand like it's a gravestone. Nagi hasn't moved in 12 hours, her fingers twitch to a rhythm only she hears. Jun's trying to fix his bass with duct tape and prayers. Kyoya? He's recording. Every loop of Mu's ward song, every crackle of static, he's building a mixtape of her voice, convinced if he finds the right frequency, he can pull her back. It's delusional. It's beautiful. It's SI-VIS. The junkyard still smoldering when episode 5 opens, Mu's single word, Kyoya, looping like a heartbeat in the dawn haze. But something's wrong. The word's spreading. Every speaker in Tokyo, vending machines, crosswalk signals, even elevators, whispers her voice. The city's becoming her stage. And the council? They're terrified. Cut to their sterile white HQ, masked producers slamming emergency buttons as Mu's signal hijacks billboards, turning stock tips into lyrics only SI-VIS knows. I'm not okay. Episode 5 is the most beautiful gut punch I've ever taken. Mu doesn't come back, she elevates, and drags SI-VIS with her. The homecoming? Perfect. Nagi's voice? Earned. The orchard bloom? I sobbed. This isn't an ending, it's a beginning, a new myth where idols become gods through love, not pow.